What is up, guys? It's Jello here with an unboxing of my spanking brand new Apple Watch Series 4. I got the Nike Plus edition here in silver. There you go, it's the 44 millimeter one. And actually they already removed the plastic wrapping in store where I got it from. I got it from Power Max Center in SM Mega Mall. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my unboxing. So how do we do this? It's been a while. I haven't actually upgraded to the Series 3. I'm still using my old Series 2 right here. I didn't go for the Series 3 since it seemed pretty the same at the time. Okay, so I am now upgrading to the Series 4. Ooh. Very nice. Okay. Inside the outer wrapping, we have a box that I guess contains the watch itself, and a slim box that most likely contains the straps, and nothing more in here. So I'm going to put this away. Before we do that, let's do this. Okay, so this is most likely the box for the straps. How do I open it? Aha, there it is. Oh yeah. Nothing like brand new tech. This actually went out of stock when it came out, the first wave, and it sold out really quickly, so I wasn't able to get one for myself. And now I do have this one after many weeks of waiting, so I'm really excited to upgrade to this one. And yep, you've got your usual straps, so you've got the longer one here and you've got the shorter one, which I use. This I never use since I have a very small wrist. Okay, let's put this away. So that's the Nike Plus wrapping there. And now the exciting part. Lift it up. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Now the watch is here. It's separate. It has its own something like a felt covering, protective covering included in the box. And let's see if we can get this thing out really gently. Oh yeah, look at that. And that's how the new back looks like. See? New heart rate sensor. And okay, let's put this here gently, as you should always be with new tech. Okay, so we've got designed for athletes from Apple and Nike. What's in here? Literature and how to pair your Apple Watch to your phone. You have your standard magnetic charging cable here, and your power brick, 5 watt. And yeah, that's what we have. And so now I'm going to be setting this up, and I'll probably make another video showing you the Apple Watch once I've set it up. For now, this is just a quick unboxing just to show everyone what's in the box, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.